And these things went in, no problem, no leaks. This unit's all set to go. SVTWRC coming at you. Stay tuned, everyone. We've got some awesome stuff coming up for you. If you're having a problem connecting these quick fittings to the male fitting here, like I'm talking He-Man force and I couldn't connect this to there, crack this and check the condition of the O-rings that are inside here. If not, you can just simply match them up with O-rings, Buna and O-rings, or even Viton if you want. Reseat them, it'll work. If not, if you're still having problems, just undo this relief valve, just undo this one right here, this little cover, and just dab this, you know, a little bit of fluid will come out, clean it up, tighten this back up, and my connections went on no problem. Tested the pump, there's no leaks here at all. I didn't even have to replace my O-ring. I checked Google and there's a ton of people having problems with the quick connects. It's not this end and it's not the male fitting itself. Try that O-ring, and if not, just reseat it and try this relief valve. So you can show me some love by giving me that like, hit the like button. You can also let me know what other problems you're experiencing in the comment section down below.